Alright, let's count more numbers. Welcome to my channel, Johnny's Bilingual Bridge. Today is December 26, 2025. Wow, Christmas is over. And I know everyone is looking forward to 2026 next week. Before 2025 ends, I would like you to learn to count numbers at least. Today, you have to learn to count numbers by 10,000 to a million. Since you already learned 10,000 last time, well, continue 20,000 to 1 million today. Alright, are you ready? Okay, 20,000 in Visayan is 20 mil. Tagalog, 20,000. 30,000 in Visayan, 30,000. Tagalog, 30,000. 40,000 in Visayan, 40,000. In Tagalog, 40,000. 50,000 in Visayan, 50,000. Tagalog, 50,000. 60,000 in Visayan, 60,000. Tagalog, 60,000. 70,000 in Visayan, 70,000. Tagalog, 70,000. 80,000 in Visayan, 80,000. Tagalog, 80,000. 90,000 in Visayan, 90,000. Tagalog, 90,000. 1 million in Visayan, isa ka milyon or usa ka milyon. In Tagalog, isang milyon. Alright, this is all for today. Have fun learning and see you next time. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share. Again, have fun learning and see you next time.